Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to my channel. This video is about the Icebear stuffed toy bouquet. On the table are the materials that you need. For the bouquet wrapper, you can also buy it at National Bookstore, about 26 to 36 pesos, which is much higher than buying it at the Divisoria. The Divisoria retail price is about 15 pesos, although if you are in a hurry and you don't know where to buy it at the Divisoria, then you can buy it at National Bookstore. However, they have only limited colors available, and not all the National Bookstore has the bouquet wrapper. Also, you will notice that the paper is much thinner than the one that I bought it from the Divisoria. So sometimes it's much harder to make the bouquet more fluffy. And aside from the bouquet wrapper, you need the Icebear character, Icebear, Panda, and Grizzly. At least you need 2 each character. Balloon cup and a balloon stick, 6 pieces each. A scissor, tape, and a tape dispenser. Always remember, you should have a tape dispenser for your convenience. Thread and a needle. Thread, the safe color would be white because it will complement on every colors that you're going to use for the character. I'm excited to make the Icebear bouquet, so come on, join me and let's make it. I'm going to sew the 4 inches stuffed toy material. For the Icebear, it's much harder to sew it because of how it has been made. You need to be more extra careful. For the needle, you need to have stronger or better needle compared to the cheap thin one, because if it's just a thin needle, it will easily break. Make it sure that it's a good one. So on my previous videos, I saw every part or the 4 sides of the balloon cup. Make it sure that it will not fall while you're doing the bouquet or after you made the bouquet. You see, it's much harder. It's much easier doing the other character sewing because the materials is different. By the way, for the item, this one is I bought it at a retail price of 100 pesos. In Miniso, I believe this costs of 229 pesos, so it depends where you're going to buy the stuffed toy Icebear. After you saw all the 4 sides on the balloon cup, you're going to put the balloon stick, which I've showed it already on my previous video. I'm just showing it for the sake of the others that haven't seen it yet. In paper, it's already cut. Okay, if you look into it, it's also hard to wrap around the Icebear because of how it has been made. Take patience for it. You have to do this in total of 6 pieces. Okay. Done with the 6 pieces of the stuffed toy that has been wrapped up. So I'm going to put now the K-wrapper. So this one that I bought in National Bookstore, it is 26 pesos and 75 cents. And it's really much thinner compared to the one that I bought it at the Divisoria. And it's because of the name, that's why it's expensive. It's Hallmark, so 26.75. So I'll just remove it. This would be the base. You have to arrange it in a way that you, it fall down. I'm making it like a heart shape type. You need to tape this first. They are all facing in front and it should be heart shape. Cut the excess balloon stick. You have to make it sure that you have a good scissor. This would be the base. Tape it around. Done with the first layer. So I'm going to do it on the second layer. I'm going to use brown and the black one. Do the same on the other side. Wrap it. All the 3 colors of the bouquet wrapper are there. Okay, it's here. It's really different. The bouquet wrapper from the Divisoria is really much thicker, and the one in National Bookstore, little thin. And then I'll have to add it up more of the paper. Elegant. Almost there. Another layer for the gray type color. Because of the, oh, you see, it fell off. This is the one that I bought it in National Bookstore. It's a bit harder to put tape on it. It really takes an effort to do so compared to the curve wrapper. And the last one, I have to make it sure that it will not show this area more upper on it. And I'm going to finish it with the dark color ribbon rather than the white ribbon. Okay, we're going to put the ribbon, which is I choose the dark blue ribbon. Make it tight. On my previous video, I also mentioned you can also make a different type of ribbon. If you want it to be more extravagant, you can definitely make it. Maybe on a succeeding video, I'll show you how to make a better ribbon that you can put it on the bouquet. But for now, I'm just using just a simple ribbon. Alright, so this is the finished product. This is the We Bear Bear heart-shaped bouquet that I made. If you notice, I make it sure that it's a heart shape inside with the character, and also even the bouquet wrapper, I make it sure that it is also a heart-shaped type. You can definitely say that it's about love. You will love this. For those We Bear Bear fans, don't miss to watch this tutorial video on how to make a We Bear Bear bouquet. Please click like if you like this videos, and please don't forget to subscribe and watch all the videos that we're going to upload on YouTube. Thank you and bye!